Hey guys, what's going on? We're just out back roading in the Jeep. We're actually just stopping to get something to drink out of the back. Cause my Gatorade is empty. I gotta get another one. Oh, check this out. Turtle. All this rain and then turtles have come out.
That's like the fourth turtle we've seen.
Yeah, it seems like it's like the fourth one we've seen of those things. These back roads are kind of flooding a little bit. Slinging a little mud on the Gladiator. So let's get some. What do you want?
RC.
RC for her, and I'll take a Gladiator. Okay, I'll take a Gladiator. A Gatorator. Hey, look at the mud I got. Oh, my mud fell up my arm. Onto the door. What a mess. We're using the Magellan TRX7 around these back roads. This route, I just chose one. It's called Tri-State Gravel. Anyway, 101 miles to go. This is a pretty long loop. It's not all gravel. Actually, we've been from gravel to pavement and then back to gravel. So this is my setup. We got this little smartless power station that I just done a review on, a video on, and then we got this BC's car refrigerator, whatever you pronounce that name. I never came to pronounce it. So we throw us in some RCs, some water, some Gatorades. Throw in whatever you want. You can throw some food in there. Get this thing set down to 27. Compressor just keeps on. So check this out on this thing too. I hadn't even noticed that before, but it says 16 hours remaining on this charge. We're drawing 32 watts. The battery's at 100%. That battery's been at 100% the whole time. Been holding up pretty good. So, it ought to run quite a while. Been on 100% for the last hour, probably. So we're gonna head back down the road and see what else we can find. This is one we've never been on. We're actually out of, not too far out of Rogers, Arkansas. Centerton, Arkansas is where this one starts. But I have this on the Magellan TRX trailhead. So you guys can check it out too. It's on there. I went ahead and shared it. So here we go. Okay, just show you on the Magellan TRX. You can see the route that we're going. We're just barely starting this dude. Let's see here. Zoom up. I mean, this thing is just, you can see where we started right over here at this green dot to here. Whoops. Made the wrong thing. And you can see how far it goes all the way back around all this junk. We don't have no idea what this is yet, so I guess we're going to find out. I need to zoom back up now, closer to where we're at. Like zoomed in a little further when I'm on one of these. Okay, we can head back out now, see what we can see.
say? That rock says something.
Crazy Creek. Both with a K.
That's funny.
Crazy Creek.
Maybe it gets crazy down here.
We come out here, we've been mudding everywhere. We found some camels inside the road. Probably gonna spit right in my face. Here comes some more coming over this way. There's a bunch of them. I don't know what these little things are over here. It's funny looking cattle of some kind, but get a hold of wire. He wants to get my phone. Look at all the, there is camels way out there. Too, not just these. Oh yeah. Well, that's some longhorns right there. Crazy. It's some kind of a drive-through safari over here. I don't even know where we're at actually. We got the Gladiator, a little bit muddy. Not too bad. Except for when I hit that one big mud hole and splashed inside the Jeep and got us all wet.